Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see what is demonstration method. So this is part 2 of our teaching method series. In previous part 1 we have already discussed about what is lecture method. If you haven't watched that video, I will provide you the link in the description box below, then you can check there. Okay, and for PDF just comment me yes in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF also for this particular video. And yes, please do subscribe my channel, because in my channel, in this channel, you will all get B8 video as well as PDF also. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel also. Now let's see what is demonstration method. So in lecture method we have already discussed that if teacher gives a long speech, it is means lecture method is basically long serious speech. But demonstration means teacher actually try to teach them and show them, practically. Like suppose we say if teacher is teaching them about like parts of flower, then if teacher is showing them flower also as a model, then it comes under demonstration method. Okay, so it is basically demo, okay, that teacher gives practically, and this method is used by teacher to show something practically to students rather than just giving lecture. Okay, it is very effective method. Student learn by seeing it. So it stimulates interest in particular topic. So if teacher are showing students something like, if a teacher are showing them models, then students also become very interested, to learn something. So it is very effective also. And this method is based on the principle of learning by doing. Teacher use various teaching aids to explain any concept. It actually gains students interest because teacher is teaching and showing at the same time. Like, if teacher is just giving lecture, then sometimes class also become boring. But if teacher is giving demonstration, is trying to do some experiment before students also become very curious to learn that particular concept. Okay, and here you can see Dr. Seaman, a nap is known as father of demonstration method. So Seaman a nap is known as father of demonstration method. Now let's see types of demonstration method. Basically there are two types of demonstration method: method demonstration and result demonstration. Now let's see characteristics of demonstration method. First is it should be clear so that it can understood by students properly. So whatever demonstration teacher are showing to students, it should be visible so that teacher students can understand also, and student can understand it very properly. So it should be large. So size of the model or whatever teacher are showing to students, it should be large in size also. Affordable, so it should not be very costly, it should be affordable. Okay, and light in size because if teacher are trying to show them something, it should be very light in weight so that teacher can easily handle it. Okay, after that, not so complex, it should not be so complex, it should be simple so that teacher can easily explain and student can easily learn. Here you can see advantages of demonstration method. First is it motivates students. So demonstration method basically uh, motivate students. Okay, second is students learn practically, so this is based on learning by doing, so we can say it is a practical method. Third is students learn easily, so if students are also getting to learn that things practically, then student will also learn it very easily. Fourth, here you can see it helps in critical thinking. And fifth is it stimulates all sense organs because students are receiving that knowledge through their eyes and through their ears also. Okay, so it train all their sense organs. Six, here you can see it grabs students' attention. So because students get interested and curious to learn that knowledge, so we can say that it this demonstration method attains or grabs students' attention. Seventh is students remains active. Students also become curious, and they also become very much attentive in class. So they become active also. Now here you can see disadvantages are also there of this method. First is time consuming, so it takes a lot of time. Okay, so we can say that it is time consuming. Second is it require pre-preparation. So teacher have to prepare before presenting it in front of students. So teacher also have to pre-prepare. Third is individual difference. So it basically opposes individual difference because each students are different from each other. So if teacher is trying to demonstrate something, so it may be possible that some students like slow learner, they will not be able to understand very quickly. Okay, so fourth is limited number of students can be arranged. So demonstration method, if teacher are trying to show them, or suppose we take example of computer. If teacher are trying to demonstrate something, or try to uh, you know tell them how this computer works. So teacher actually cannot teach or cannot give time to all the students at the same time to work on that computer. So limited number can be arranged. Fifth is costly. So it is costly because teacher have to use some teaching method. So it can be costly also. And sixth is it opposite individual difference because some students maybe they are who are slow learner, and they may not be able to understand all the things, you know so it actually opposes that individual difference principles. Okay, so this was my video on the topic demonstration method. Here you can see, and in next video we will see what is lecture come demonstration method. If you need a PDF, then please do comment me yes in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF also of this particular video. We will meet in next video with lecture come demonstration method. Till then, bye bye and take care.